Yo, what's good guys? So we're at another one today. We're at a farmhouse, man, an abandoned farmhouse. I'm also with the voided Viking explorer, which is just here. Where is he? There he is. I'm also with past explorer somewhere. But yeah guys, their link's coming up on the screen, make sure you check them out, it's on Facebook. But yeah, we've just come across this while the voided Viking has. And this is where we're going to have a little explore. Oh, what's up there? Big hole in the roof. The old staircase. Oh wow, what's this? Coming into here guys, so we can have a look. I don't know. Ooh. The glass on the floor. Be careful. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but yeah. So we carry on out, guys.
I don't know how safe that is.
I wouldn't risk it myself, but that's where we are, guys. Old farmhouse, like I say. It's only going to be a little one for you, though, guys, because it is only a small house. Pigeons upstairs, man, I can hear them. We'll get back through. As I say guys, it's only a small one. Have a quick look up here with this. What's in there? Just nothing. So yeah guys, the outside of the building, we literally just walked through the front door, man. The front door was open. But yeah, this is the outside. Walk across this way as well, guys. Loads of stuff in. We'll go and have a look. I'm also getting photos as I'm talking, guys. But yeah, this is the other side. On the outside. Some sinks there. Don't know if we can quite get in this one. No, I don't think we can. Unless we go this way round. And there guys, so yeah, hope you've enjoyed what you've seen guys. A little something for you for there, a little something special, man. So yeah, don't forget to check out the past explorer, also the voided Viking explorer, and also don't forget to check out all the social medias, what we do, man, with Shano. Anywhere you go, you'll see it being a good one. We'll definitely see you in the next one, guys. Peace.